Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family some financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop, SNC Budget Creations, down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of September, Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs did make a freebie. I'll link it. Alright, what is happening today? Well, it's Freebie Friday. It is that time again. I am so excited to see all of this progress being made. I'm excited to see the movement that's happening in my savings, and then just the small wins. We're stuffing today $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. $9, not a lot. More than I would have stuffed had I spent it. So we want to just save. I'm going to go ahead and pull my savings challenges out that I'm working on. There should be 4 of them. Alright, and I have my little stash in the back of other savings challenges I want to add at some point. Alright, so we have Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. This was a freebie, so if you're interested, she does have a Ko-fi. I'm not certain how you say it. She has one, and then she has these goodies there if you're interested. And then these 2 are from the Cassie J made. And then lastly, I have this savings challenge, which I've been working on for a few weeks now. It's taken me a couple weeks to get $9 together, you guys. But that's another reason why I feel like it's really important to have ones with the smaller wins, so that way I can see some victories taking place here. But this one's from Weekly Budgets, and we are going to jump right in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 don't count in my game. So if I roll a 5 or a 6, I will roll again until we get a 1, 2, 3, or 4. I just need 4 to come up, because 4 just needs 1. $1. Come on, 4. Come on, 4. Let's give ourselves some room to play. 4. Oh, nope. Oh, okay. We're not off to a good start. Where's our 4? Okay. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Come on, 4. This is not going to happen to me today. It's not. Oh gosh, 3. Oh my goodness. If this happens to me today, oh my god. Come on, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, we got that one done. We got a savings challenge completed. I already have another one picked out ready to go in there. So 3. Oh man, my blood pressure went up through the roof. 3. We have one more dollar left. 1. Okay. Alright, well, I mean, we got one finished. That part really does matter to me. Okay. First up, we have Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. That savings challenge got $2. And we are going to color in 2 circles here. 1, 2. When this one's completed, it'll be $9. Like you said, it is taking me quite a while to save $9. So it does take me a couple of videos. So it's okay though. It's progress. Alright, next up we have our Virgo Savings Challenge, which is getting $1, 2, $3 today. So we will color in 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so in total, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7. Okay, making progress. See that? Okay, then we have our back to school, which is getting $3 today. 1, 2, 3. All right, in total, this savings challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. $8. Okay. I'm hoping to finish these 2 by the end of September. That's my goal. I want to complete them by the end of September because she's making new savings challenges for the month of October, and I want to move on to those. I guess either way, I'm going to add them into rotation until I do complete them all. That's where I'm at with it. We're adding $1. All right, weekly budgets finally completed. Like I said, it takes me a while, but totally worth it. This freebie you can get in her on her channel, and she has a couple of other freebies that you know, if you're interested in specific the different kinds, whatever, go check her out as well. So in this savings challenge, we should have $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We do. We have $9. Yay! I need one of those bills that everybody has in their. You know what? I need that savings challenge. I believe it was Donna who made that savings challenge. That every time you complete a savings challenge, you put $1 away. So a little extra savings. I don't know if I'm to that point yet, but we're going to set that one off to the side. And the next one we're adding to this in rotation is the Secret Budgeter. And this one is a freebie in her on her channel as well. So I will link it. I'm not certain exactly who all has Etsy shops, or if they have any other type of shop. But I know that the freebies are usually linked in the video with you know, for you to grab. And so that's what I did. I grabbed them and then I print them up and then I play. All right, so we've gone ahead and completed, oh, making a mess. We've gone ahead and completed one of our savings challenges, which is fantastic. So I will go ahead and add that to the other savings challenges that I have completed. You guys have seen it here. I am making progress. I am completing savings challenges. So we should have a Christmas binder cash stuffing coming soon. Oh gosh, I'm all tongue-tied and twisted up here. But yes, we should have one of those coming soon because I've completed plenty of savings challenges to get me a solid cash stuffing of my Christmas binder coming. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.